Most people wait until the end of the month to see what is left. Wealthy people decide what happens to their money the moment they get paid. Today, I'll be showing you 7 essential things you should do as soon as your salary hits your account, no matter how much you earn, no matter how big or small you earn. This is important irrespective of your earning level. If you have ever wondered why your money disappears every month, even though you're earning a lot, for example, this video is for you. I always tell people that to build wealth, it's not about how much you earn. It's part of it, it's not all of it. Wealth is built by what you do first when you get paid. So the 7 things I'll be sharing with you today are things that would guide you going forward. The number 1 is pay yourself first. This is a non-negotiable. I know you've heard it before. The first thing you do when you get paid is not to pay bills. It is to pay yourself first. Before the subscriptions, before the bills, before anything else, before anyone else. And this can be 10% of your salary, 20% of your salary. It can be even £50 done consistently. It is not about the amount. It is about the habit. Build the habit of saying, you know what? I am paying myself first. Don't save or invest what is left. This is what you have to do first. The second point, automate your investment immediately. You see, don't leave it to your willpower. Start investment and automate the process. You can start investing in ETFs, which is always the best place for, beginners to start. It could be a pension. It could be a stocks and shares ISA, which is where I always say, if you're in the UK, start from there. Automation just sort of removes that emotions. I'll do it later. I'll do it next month. I don't want to do it now. The best investors are those that are consistent. With automatic investing, you're bound to invest every month. Number 3, cover your essentials. And I'm not saying your lifestyle here. I'm saying your essentials. Things like either your rent or your mortgage, transportation, utilities, food. Those are your essentials. Make sure they are well covered before you start with, I think I need a bag, or I think I need a... These are essentials. Once you back that out, you can then move to other things that are lifestyle, your subscriptions and all that. But make sure that the essentials are covered. Number 4, you need to fund your emergency account. If you don't have an emergency fund, any little inconvenience can quickly turn into a crisis, can quickly lead you into debt. For example, a job loss, car breakdown, unexpected travel back home. All these are emergencies that we don't plan for. So it is advisable that you have 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses saved somewhere in a high yield interest account. Don't just dump it anyway. Shop around for good interest rates and put it there. This is not money for the latest gadgets or whatever. It is just there, breathing, waiting for emergencies. Because like I always say, I don't care who you are. Life will happen. So always build an emergency fund somewhere. Number 5, this is for those that have debts. Please attack your high interest debt quickly. Whether it's credit card, whether it's loans, whether it's overdraft, interest would always work against you. Interest is your enemy. And you cannot, outsave or outinvest bad debt. So it is important that you clear your debt. You can have a certain amount that you commit to paying off your debt every month and you stick to it. That's what I always advise. Don't save, invest, and then carry, a lot of debts, which sometimes it's at ridiculously high rates, 20%, 18%, 23%. Make sure you target this debt and bring it to the barest minimum. Number 6, set aside what Ramit will call guilt-free spending money. You see, we are not just working to pay bills. We have to take care of ourselves. Enjoy your money. I love enjoying my money. I love enjoying my money. I save, I invest, and I enjoy my money. That no guilt spending. This is money that you just want to use to take care of yourself. Buy something that you love, something that you like, something that makes you happy. Always budget for this every month. And then number 7, please track your expenses. If you don't track, you don't know where it goes. It's like you're checking in with your money, Ask yourself every month, did this money go where I want it to go? Am I meeting my goals? Am I paying my debts? Am I saving? Am I investing? This is a boring exercise and I say it a lot, but it is absolutely necessary. Every week, Go to your bank statement and try to put down what you've spent into your tracker. If you don't have a tracker, comment tracker and I'll send this to you because I have a simple and it's free income and expense tracker that would help you, capture all your spends. Because when you do that, you know where your money is going and you're asking yourself, have I sent this money, to where I plan to send this money to? So review your expenses. And if you're still thinking that you cannot build wealth because of the amount of money you earn, you should see my next video where I talked about how you can be a millionaire on a small salary. And I'll see you in that video.